Hello everybody, my name is Gintvilė Šimkonienė. I'm from Kaunas University of Technology, and our theme is challenges and solutions of wind power integration to Lithuanian power system. Objectives of research, because today of situation getting worse in the world and also in the European Union, climate changing and requiring also the same. Fossil fuel prices growing up also with electric energy. Global demand for energy security have accelerated for the development of renewable energy. So to mitigate the effect of human activities of the environmental, and also governments worldwide have promoted to use renewable energy sources and developing technologies at the same time, to know that the main reason is today's situation and the network, how look today the network and how we can improve renewable energy and also new technologies. So the estimation of capacity of the power transmission network, and also at the same time the balancing of wind power generation and federal control of forecasting. Fossil fuels have significant impact today of climate changing, and European Commission established to change greenhouse emission starting from 80 till 95%, comparing with 1990 years. So CO2 emission also is very important to know about the power sector by 2030, and it's very useful now today for the Baltic Sea regions and for the Baltic wind power plant. So decrease greenhouse gas emission from 80 to 95, and from the energy and transport sector at the same time. Lithuanian National Strategy of Energy Institute Independence established to increase renewable energy sources from 30% to 45%, and starting from 2020, 30 until 80% in 2050. So global perspective shows the trend of renewable energy sources about 10% of total final energy consumption, and today is from 61 from 2016, growing up to 67% and growing until 80% expected. So the development of wind power capacity in Lithuania changeable, and today the number is 671 megawatt, and in future plan will be 850 megawatts. So the future is showing that we should think about the most perspectives and technologies to change and give opportunity to install more renewable energy. So wind farms connected to the Lithuanian high voltage network electricity grew from 61, as I mentioned, to 66% consumers, and this could be one of the indicators that clearly shows dependence of Lithuanian power grid important electricity, as I think so everywhere. Wind power plant capacity, when renewable energy sources generate a different part of electric energy. So development can be determined by considering the demand for electricity generated using renewable energy sources, establishing the scenarios, the potential of various excluding wind energy and actual extended their installations. So was 3 scenarios based in intermediate and optimistic. Technical obstacles limiting wind development, actual of active power reserve, fluctuating power sources need more reserve, active power in the Lithuanian is balanced hardly, and the output is forecast 24 hours ahead for each hour. To the balance of the active power is maintenance with the secondary reserves in the control deviation. And the power transmission capacity of electricity network, currently the 110 kilovolts, so high voltage network, is the best place for connections. For distribution network, we are thinking to speak about from 2028 when the power plant will starting to submit the project for the Baltic Sea region. Control reserve in Lithuania, so was made method to control up and down reserve, increase generated power by all generators, and the results shows requiring control depends on the capacity when it's up and when reserve is down. So there are connection zones permitted capacities of new wind power plants. Kaunas University of Technology all the time seeking for the data and looking for the new regions where can the best place to install the wind powers. And today the most interesting and the most powerful region is the Baltic Sea, so this is the main part where we are thinking to install wind power. So wind energy is the most promising type of renewable energy system. So based on scenario covered in this article, to generate approximately 30% to 35% of electricity from renewable energy sources by 2030, at least 670 megawatts. Development of the BP should be coordinate with the development of the entire. The Lithuanian existing network infrastructure allows the integration of onshore today, and plans for the offshore must include the expansion of 330 power grids. So, future works, new varied generation composition change the power system characteristics leading to minor system technical challenges. In normal operation as well as during falls, the power system strengths and the internia are affected by development of wind power plant and could lead to frequency and voltage established. The deterioration of power quality and even dynamic stability. It must be emphasized that the analysis of renewable energy sources, penetration for future energy scenarios must be accompanied by an analysis of system energy. So, thank you for your attention.